Guys, I think every cryptocurrency investor needs to understand this and needs to know what to do in certain situations. And in this video, I want to talk about kind of my experiences a little bit, give you guys, some stories from back in the previous bull run, some mistakes I made so that you hopefully don't make these same mistakes. And I'm not alone here in the mistakes that I made in crypto back in 2021, given that it was my first bull run. But what I've learned from then and now, I think, is really setting myself up for a lot more success in the space. And at the core of this, is having the ability to stay in the game, right? And you only have the ability to stay in the game when you have a few things in place. And we're going to talk about that and discuss a little bit about that in this video. But it starts with a plan. And I don't mean just any old plan. I mean a strategic plan with every asset you get into, right? So one of the things I didn't do back in 2021 was create a profit-taking strategy with every single cryptocurrency project I got into. And, in general, I just didn't take enough profits along the way. And I've created a plan now and a strategy that is specific to that particular asset for this bull run that we're in right now. And I really started this throughout the bear market once we got into 2022. And I started buying a little bit of Bitcoin every single day starting in April 2022. Now, since that time period, I have slowly but surely taken profits, pour those profits a lot of times from small cap cryptos into larger cap cryptos that are less risky and that I have a longer time horizon with, or I'm going to be holding them for a longer period of time. So the ability to invest, profit, reinvest, profit, reinvest, profit. This is what we all have to understand and how important it is. And we have to learn how to slowly mitigate risk over time as we grow our portfolio. See, the old adage, like when you're gambling, is like when you lose a bet or you lose $100, your gut instinct tells you, okay, double down, right? We call this in the gambling world chasing. And the same thing happens in crypto. When you miss out on an opportunity or you end up, losing a trade, a lot of people tend to what's called chase, and they'll go harder into the next thing. Not, really looking at it as it's a better investment, so I'll put more money in here, simply doing this because they lost out on their previous investment. That's why I also created a backbone in my portfolio. I talked about buying a little bit of Bitcoin every day. Every asset I invest in is not just this brand new crypto that has a ton of risk associated with it. I allocate a certain amount of my portfolio, roughly about 30 to 40%. Now, a lot of this percentage that I think you have to, assess depends on your age, your current financial situation, and your goals. So many people come into crypto without any real goals in mind. And again, back in 2021, I wanted to make money, but how much money? What are you going to do when you make that money? These are the type of questions every crypto investor needs to understand and needs to be able to answer if they want to have longevity in this space and if they want to have a successful investment strategy. It's not about just becoming a millionaire overnight and snapping your fingers and this is going to be the 100x or the 1000x that changes my life forever. 100x is actually, in my opinion and in my experience so far, they come into fruition when you're really not looking for them. I can name 2 or 3 just this year that eventually 100x from my initial investment. Now, did I wait till it hit 100x to take profits? Absolutely not. I had thresholds where I was taking profits along the way, but you always leave a moon bag in there, as we like to say, right? You always leave a little bit in there, especially if a project is doing well. And then you still feel that 100x with some of your investment. And obviously you have certain thresholds in market cap where you're slowly dripping. This is my strategy, right? Over time. But again, I think the really important point here is you don't just stop there. You don't just stop at taking profits. What are you going to do with those profits? Are you putting them back into cash? Are you reinvesting them into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or insert blue chip crypto here? Are you reinvesting them into the stock market? Are you reinvesting it into a business? Are you reinvesting it into real estate? So creating a real strategy that is more macro, that is outside of crypto. For me, that is how I do it. It includes stocks, it includes real estate, it includes crypto, it includes my businesses, it includes a cash position. But formulating that plan and spending time on it, I think, is really how I've changed drastically from then and now. And now I have a plan heading into this bull run where I feel really confident in my strategy because I've went over it dozens, if not tens of times, right? And I constantly am going back and adjusting it, changing it if I do have differing opinions, if something in the macro looks different, etc. Right? So I think every crypto investor needs to hear this, and hopefully this video finds you well, and hopefully it helps you because right now we're still in this consolidation phase, and there's still a lot of time for us to be setting ourselves up for winning big in the space. But you have to understand that having a plan and strategic one for every asset is crucial to success in this crypto space. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Margex if you're interested in leverage trading as well. And XT Algo is my trading indicator, link down below. If you're looking for the best entry and exit points, check out XT Algo. That is my company. We started it last August. People love it. You can check it out. Links down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.